Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a handy tool for all baking enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the Havawish 2-piece cake syrup dispense. If you're into baking and want to elevate your cake moistening game, this might just be the perfect tool for you. Stick around as we uncover what makes this syrup dispenser a standout choice. Let's start with what this product offers. The Havawish syrup dispenser comes in a set of 2, each with a capacity of 350 milliliters. It's designed specifically for moistening cakes evenly and efficiently. Whether you're soaking a sponge cake or adding just the right amount of syrup to your desserts, this dispenser promises to make the job easier. First off, the dispenser is made from safe and reliable PE material, ensuring it's food grade and suitable for handling syrups without any worries. The design includes a sealing lid, allowing you to store unused syrup conveniently for later use. This feature also helps in preventing spills and keeping your kitchen tidy. Taking a closer look, the dispenser features a graduated scale on the bottle, which is great for precise measurements. This helps in controlling the amount of syrup you use, reducing waste and ensuring consistent results every time you bake. Now, let's talk practicality. The dispenser's dense spray holes ensure that your cake gets evenly moistened without oversaturating it. This is crucial for maintaining the cake's texture and flavor integrity. If we compare it with other options on the market, the Havawish dispenser stands out due to its thoughtful design features and the inclusion of 2 bottles in one set. This allows you to manage different syrups simultaneously, which is fantastic if you're experimenting with flavors or catering to different preferences. To sum it up, the Havawish 2-piece cake syrup dispense is a solid choice for anyone serious about baking. Its practical design, safe material, and user-friendly features make it a valuable addition to your kitchen arsenal. Whether you're a home baker or a professional, having a reliable syrup dispenser like this can truly elevate your baking game. If you're interested in trying out the Havawish syrup dispenser for yourself, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product insights. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what other products you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy baking!